To calculate the productivity for each of the 6 weeks, we need to look at our outputs, which is our units, and our labor hours, which are our inputs, and we're going to come up with a productivity of how many units that have been produced per labor hour for each week. So the first thing we're going to do is look at week 1, and our output in units is 1850. So for the entire week we produced 1,850 units, and for that week there were 200 labor hours worked. So if we divide those two, we come up with productivity of 9.25 units per labor hour. So 9.25. Okay. Now for week 2, we're going to look at the output and our units, 1,361, and we're going to divide it by the labor hours for the week, which is 150. And we come up with a productivity number of 9.07 units per labor hour. 9.07. So if we do these calculations for each of the other weeks, 3, 4, 5, and 6, we'll come up with productivity numbers as follows. For week 3, we should come up with 14.15. Week 4, 10.55. Week 5 is 10.37. And then week 6, we have 9.56. And if we want to calculate what the average productivity has been over the last 6 weeks, we can take all these numbers, add them together, and you should come up with 62.95, and then divide that by 6 weeks, so we get an average productivity figure of 10.49 for 6 weeks.